Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing awesome out there. I'm an ex-professional cook trying to help people avoid ultra-processed and fast foods. My name is Lee, and I'm a Dude Talkin Food. First, thanks everyone for joining me today. I'd like to take this time to make you all aware of some food in the news. We're in the middle of shooting a shepherd's pie video for Easter, but I wanted to stop for a minute and talk about some big food recalls going on, as they seem to be getting more and more common, and they're affecting some larger national brands like Coca-Cola. So the first recall is Nestle. This is Stouffer's and lean cuisine microwave meals with possible wood-like foreign objects. This can present a splintering and choking hazard. The four flavors listed below with their lot numbers and dates are all being recalled. Frito Lay, which is owned by Pepsi, is recalling bags of 13-ounce traditional yellow corn cantina corn chips. These have an undeclared allergen of milk, and they can make people pretty sick if they have milk digestion issues. I'll be putting links to all these recalls in the description so you all can get a longer look at the lot codes if you need them. Our next recall involves Feel Good Foods out of New York, New York. They're recalling their three cheese mac and cheese bites due to possible contamination of metal from production. So watch out if you're chomping down on these. Last thing you want to do is crack a tooth or choke on some metal bits. Best to just take them back and get your money. So Target decided to get involved in the mislabeling of stuff as well. They're recalling their store brand Favorite Day 6-ounce 2-count cheesecakes, and these are being recalled for not listing pecans, which are an incredibly dangerous tree nut allergy. This next one is super scary. We've got Lions Ready Care and Cisco supplemental shakes that are used in hospitals, retirement homes, and healthcare facilities being contaminated by possible listeria. This is an organism which normally would make you really sick, but can kill people whose health is already compromised. And of course, that's exactly who it was being served to. Please watch out for your fur babies on this one. Wild Coast brand frozen boneless free range chicken cat food is being recalled for possible bird flu contamination. No matter what your personal feelings are on the bird flu stuff, just don't take a chance with your cats. If you use this and they start showing symptoms, please call your veterinarian. Now we have more woe and sadness coming from the mac and cheese world. Whole Foods 365 brand mac and cheese small bites are being recalled due to them containing eggs and potentially meat that's not listed in the ingredients. Egg allergies are like tree nut allergies and can have some pretty permanent effects. Our last big recall for the month of March 2025 is Coca Cola. While soda's garbage and we shouldn't be drinking it, I still wanted to include this as I know we all have a soda now and then. Specific 12 packs of Coke are being recalled for plastic particulates being found in the soda. We all consume more plastic than we should already, and we don't really need any more. Watch out for these lot codes if you're in the affected area and still drink Coke. I want to take this moment to thank you all for your time and support and for watching my videos. You all are awesome and amazing. I hope none of you were affected by these recalls, but if you are, I'd like to hear about your experience. If you made it this far, please leave a like and a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, please do that as well. It really helps. My videos are only going to get better. I also want to give a huge shout out to my subscribers that have already joined. Everyone out there, have a great one.